Hi friends, good day and welcome to another episode of Sundaid. Today we're going to learn how to use the text to column function in Excel, and it's a pretty handy tool or function to know how to use it. You might have come across situations wherein you've downloaded some data set from a system or extracted a report over there, and suddenly all of the data is clustered into a single column, which you would like to break out for it to make sense and be able to analyze in Excel. That's the situation where the text to column function comes into play and helps break out the data to make sense out of it. What we have today here is a quick data set of consisting the names, age, department, and salary of a certain set of people in the organization, and that's how we will start to break it out into separate columns. So how we go about that is we select the column out here, go to data, select the text to column option over here. There are two options you will come across. One is delimited and fixed width. Delimited is when you have a separator in your data set, which could be used to identify the columns or at the stage where the columns needs to be separated. A fixed width will be a scenario where you have an exact length beyond which you would like the column to be separated. So it could be 9 characters, 10 characters, or whatever the character set you decide is where it gets separated. In our data set, we're going to use the delimited option here and click next. You'll get the options of delimiters. It could be semicolons, commas, spaces, etc., or anything else. For us, we have the pipe as a separator. So we're going to go into the other and type in the pipe. You will see a sample below of how the data is being separated. And now we see it, yes, it does make sense where the names, age, department, and salary is getting separated as a result of the identifier. You click next. It gives you the option to select the data format or the cell format of the column. I'm going to leave it as general. You could do it for date, text, or anything else over there as you deem dependent on your data set. For us, in this case, general is fine, and that's it. Uh, and there you see it, right? All of our data is now separated into 4 different columns, separated with the respective headers and clean data. We can now go ahead and analyze this using pivots or whatever analysis needs to be performed over there. So that's how you go about using this. I do hope you found this useful. And that's all we have for today. Take care and have a good day.